Ska Green Tech Foundation hag sngi ningkong kalapin kutno ya kejing shat ngan klembo por kablane Haduh khat ar sngi hadian bag Sorkar Jylla kalarai ban wengno ya kalumpang deng island na project Taj Resort ha umyam u Secretary General ke GTF Ritre Lyngdoh ulo ong bagani kejing job kamde tang kabor jong kekin hon Henry kede kejing snei jong blay badon bor baro ulapin pauru ya kejing songu ya Sorkar Jylla kabla pediang ya kejing dawa banweng ya kalumpang deng na ka project Henry ulakin tho jori ke Sorkar namara ke jing slam ban shimrai da ka boong ba ke Jylla kala habban ab Haduh khat ar sngi bat khat ar Miet shoban la ban le ee Ulingdo ulo ongru ba ke GTF kala la ban pin urlong ya ka thong jongka ban yadai ka mariang halumpong deng ulakin tu ikiwei pat ki seng ban biteng ya ka ni ke jing ki ban jingele ban yadai ke Jylla Shushu ulapin bena baga kin hon kan sapalai paidbah yaki kot kisla blayo lingba ka RTI ki bakin thup ya ki jingsha ke no bam sam bat ki jingede hapdeng ki politician bat ki company ki bla ai kerteng kung ki lumpeng deng files
Green Tech Foundation. This is my address that today, the 20th of April 2026, it shall be noted down the books of history that the Khasi Jaintia Hills has witnessed a great green revolution. Secondly, as we have received the letter to the government of Meghalaya, they have made it very categorically and particularly in consonance with our demand that Nongpoh Island is excluded from the overall development of the said luxury resort and spa. It had taken for the government the most inhumane government that Meghalaya has witnessed.
Yes!
12 long days and 12 long nights for them to get on their knees. The government itself, although we had anticipated that it would collapse after the hospitalization of our chairman, but today, mark my words, the 20th day of April 2026, the government of Meghalaya, the MDA-led NPP government, has now trembled in fear. And as Green Tech Foundation had took the forefront to raise the green ethics and the sensitivity of Nongpoh Island as an eco-fragile system, we had achieved our goal this evening. However, the scam that we had exposed alongside environmental issues is still at large and yet to be addressed. And for the other subject matters that relates to this very issue, we leave it to other organizations to take up the matter diligently, committedly, and sincerely, so that the whole world globally acknowledges that Ri Khasi is built on foundational principles. And as per the RTIs that we have received from various documents, any organization, any group, any individual who's interested to follow up with the other issues that involves corruption, that involves the political nexus between corporates and legalities, and the politicians and corporates, the nexus between a corrupt system with the so-called high levels, and the manner in which there is a big failure in state machinery. Everyone who is concerned, everyone who is interested, we are ready to share with you what we call the Nongpoh files. So today we mark the end of our indefinite hunger strike, since the government of Meghalaya has ceded to our demands And all of this, it's not the power of Createch Foundation, it's not the power of the public, it's not the power of anybody, but it is the mercy and graciousness of God Almighty. Thank you so much.
One question. You said about the corruption, so will you be writing to Lokayukta so that this issue can be addressed? Will you be writing to Lokayukta since you mentioned about corruption?
See, as I've mentioned that with regards, because it's not a subject matter, because we're an environmental NGO, whoever is interested in the subject may pursue it. We are open to share the files with anybody who's interested.
Ka development bar ke imlang sahlang he ka de bniah dekat start le ke badun kam tam ma klem ka development ngimla ban im klem ke imlang sahlang ngimla ban develop nadu ka umbam de menchua ngim ju yo tikenai umbam de re nadu bangila yo ke JJM tengmut ka umbam de kala bit kala biang menta ka ne ke MG NRGS mo kiang teka belah sis pak Sngi haginong kendong teka ne lele ke ko kalat kabu ko biang tam nam ta paidbah iyo ya karoi kepar, iyo ya kham ke jam, kilentik singkin mo, nongpoh no, ki jaka sajan, ki pung tong ki pung dokha, nadong sudong kene ka pas ngilele, nakali ng cukup Sorkar hi, kala persyang ban le bha, ha kene ka shnong ke jongi. Kaji kwa jongi lele kalong ba, ngimdai tang bagi kloi, lada kadon hang nong ngile chau ru mo, hang nong kadon tak skim, ngile chau ru ben, nam tak skim nong jingdon kam ki paidbah, jong kene ka shnong ben. Petulun ini kami petulun dah ke jing stu jing mut dah ke jing iit ta Sorkar ka kit klik nam ta paidbah ru Ritre Lyngdoh nam ta ki brio jo ka department hagino ini ki Mynta nam ta jing don kam ba Sorkar ka ai sa paidbah.